Most of us take our hearing for granted. It means we can enjoy life and all the sounds around us. For example, music, hearing the birds sing and talking together. Looking after our hearing is just as important as looking after our teeth and eyes. It is important to get them checked. Because people may not know they are struggling with their hearing, others may think they are stupid or can't learn. When this happens, people could get left out and not enjoy life as they should. However, people who have a learning disability may need extra help, and the GP can ask the hearing department at the hospital to see you. This is called audiology.
Because having the hearing aid, it makes them be a part of their life. Having a hearing test, it makes me happy, don't be afraid, and don't making the patients feel better here at Queen Mary's Hospital.
The staff at the hospital are nice and make you feel welcome. You will get a letter from them telling you when to go and how to get there. You can go to your appointment with a friend or supporter if you want. This means you have someone to sit and talk with while you are waiting and be with you before and after the appointment. The hearing test will find out how well you are hearing and if you need help making your hearing clearer.
So my name is Mary. I am an audiologist and I work at Lewisham and Greenwich NHS Trust. And so I work testing people's hearing and also working with people with balance difficulties. Staff are always really friendly, always there to help answer any questions, and it doesn't cost anything, and if anything it will give you better understanding of your hearing.
In Bexley we have the Bexley Deaf Centre.
So Bexley Deaf Centre has been around for 30 years and we look after all of the people who live in the London Borough of Bexley with any hearing problems that they have. So that can be people who are completely deaf or people that are losing their hearing as they get a bit older, etc.
Remember, we should look after our hearing and know that there are people who can help.
The NHS is there for everyone. It is there for you.